Hello students, this is Harish Tyagi with you, your English teacher. And today again we are here to talk about the chapter The Enemy, and your book name is The Vistas. As it is clear by the name, the enemy means there is some discussion about this enemy, and it is created by Pearl S. Buck. Actually, if you talk about this story, enemy, as I told you, is written by Pearl S. Buck. And if you talk about the theme of this story, the theme of this story is that the author means Mr. Buck. Mr. Buck is doing focus on the fact of the humanity that is required in all the field, and it comes before of all the duties, and it comes to stop all type of hatred, enmity against each other in all over the world. Even in this chapter, the author own self could conveys the message to the humanity that the people all everywhere should break all the barriers and the prejudice, means the thinking without any practice. There are the main characters of this story is Mr. Sadao, Hana, Tom, General Takima, Yumi, and the domestic servant. Let's talk about the characters first. Dr. Sadao is a Japanese doctor and he got training in America. He is a dedicated surgeon and the doctor. Kind person, but he has some prejudice against the white people because he is from Japan, and the American, they have enmity since starting. Hana is the wife of Dr. Sadao. They met in America and became friends and got married. In Japan, she is a balanced woman, stands with the husband, responsible, dignified, and graceful. Tom is an American prisoner of the war, strong, who has a strong willpower. You can say he is an American soldier. He is the American soldier who was helped by he is from American Army, who was helped by Dr. Sadao. General Takima is famous. He is a famous person in Japan, and he is a war hero. He is a selfish and little bit careless person, right? Yumi is the servant actually who looked after Dr. Sadao and Hana's children. Means you can say he is a caretaker. He loves children, loyal to the country, but he has also some prejudice against the white men. Domestic servant, other people like loyal to the country, means this Dr. Sadao has Yomi as a domestic servant and the caretaker, and other servants also, right? Go for the next. If you talk about the detail of this story, actually, Dr. Sadao, when he went to study in America, and his father told him, okay, go for study, but do not get married with any American lady because they have the enmity. That's why he was a little bit far away from this American people. Hana, Dr. Sadao, he got married with Hana because she is Japanese. Okay, both of the people, Dr. Sadao and Hana, was standing outside of their house, and their houses actually was on the coastal area. Coastal area means near to the beach, near to the sea beach. A man suddenly appears in the ocean. Ocean means the sea. They saw a person, white person, an American soldier, American Marine or American Army person. He was floating in the sea water. They helped him. They took him his home, but they were confused what they need to do. In the meantime, Dr. Sadao decided, being a doctor, it is his duty to save the person. Right? Then they took him to the house. They tried to help him, but what the servants they have, they refused to help them. In the meantime, Dr. Sadao did his duty, and he was loyal to Japan. But as a citizen, as the national, he has a duty. But as the doctor, he helped first. He thought that it is my duty. It is my duty to save the person first. In the meantime, he took him in the house. He just took care of him. But the domestic staff, the domestic servant, they refused to take care of him because he was from America. Dr. Sadao is also realized this problem. But when they refused, when the servant they refused, but the Hana same time Hana knows to help here to take care this army person. After some time, actually, when doctor realized that general will know about this one and he will make him arrest, but he was a little bit sure that what you call this doctor will know, this general will not do him anything, because Dr. Sadao also doing treatment to General Takima, right? So like this one. And he has to make one always. And there's a Dr. Sadao used to make treatment to this, right? As he used to treat general, means Dr. Sadao was the doctor of, you can say, Dr. This General Takima. After some time, this American soldier, he got okay. He was ready to move. This time they just told him, okay, now you just go, and they send him out. They gave him all the things to eat, food or whatsoever. And in the dark time, they just asked him to sit in a small boat, and they asked him to go away from there. And later, however, general promised. And meantime, when the doctor was doing treatment to this army person, meantime he received a call from Takima for the treatment. After a while, this the Takima, he forgot to do anything. So American got better, and Dr. Sadao arranged him to send him near the Iceland, and that's why. And he was just away from the Japanese boundary. So actually, now the theme is coming. Both were the enemy to each other. This American soldier, he is from America, and Dr. Sadao from Japan, and both of them, they have enmity to each other. But enemy was helped by the enemy, as the nation says. But if you see this story, both of the humanity is greater. Humanity comes first. Humanity comes first than all the things. And as a doctor, Dr. Sadao played his role in a better way. That means it is proved in this story that if you are anywhere, if you need help, the person, you need Dr. Sadao type person. And if you are Dr. Sadao, you should work like Sadao. Okay, so this is the thing we should understand. And these are okay. Now all the things we will discuss in our class. Thank you very much. Have a good day. I hope you enjoy. Thank you very much. See you once again. It is on demand as you requested to talk about again this anime chapter. Okay. Thank you very much. See you once again. Bye.